Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is When Dawn Breaks, where the outer sun rises and the inner sun awakens in communion. Ladies and gentlemen, every dawn is a phenomena repeated daily, yet never truly the same. It is the universe quiet reminder that renewal is intrinsic to life. As the first particles of light scatter through the atmosphere, they do more than brighten the sky. They touch the architecture of human biology and the still chambers of the human spirit. In a world often shadowed by uncertainty, dawn becomes an ancient reassurance that light can return, clarity can rise, and hope can breathe again. It is the sacred moment when the outer sun ascends, inviting the inner sun to awaken in communion. For millennia, dawn shaped human rhythm long before clocks existed. Today, science reveals why. Sunlight is a biological instruction. Within the human brain, specialized retinal cells detect morning light and signal the suprachiasmatic nucleus, the master clock nestled in the hypothalamus. This tiny cluster of neurons synchronizes nearly 37 trillion cells, aligning their internal clocks like instruments in a cosmic orchestra. The effects are profound. Morning light increases serotonin, stabilizing emotions. It modulates cortisol with precision, sharpening alertness without agitation. It shifts body temperature to activate vitality. It resets melatonin cycles, refining sleep quality and mental clarity. It strengthens mitochondrial function, amplifying cellular energy. It influences gene expression in nearly every organ, harmonizing physiology for the new day. Thus, dawn is not merely seen, it is absorbed, translated, and experienced at the cellular level. The outer sun tells the inner sun how to rise. This biological synchrony mirrors a deeper truth carried through ancient wisdom, that rhythm creates coherence and coherence creates clarity. When human beings align with the natural cadence of dawn, the mind steadies, emotions balance, intuition sharpens, and inner virtues reorient themselves like a compass returning to true north. Humanity, endowed with intelligence and consciousness, is designed for this communion. The outer sun awakens the world. The inner sun awakens purpose. When both shine together, energies, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational, flow into a single current of illumination. In that current, thoughts lift from heaviness to possibility. Actions rise from hesitation to intention, and life moves from confusion toward meaning. What's the way forward? In challenging times, the first light offers a daily sanctuary. Standing with the dawn, even for a few quiet breaths, becomes a renewal ritual for the entire being. Aligning habits with natural rhythms restores internal order in a world often pulling life toward chaos. Each morning becomes an opportunity to reset, recalibrate, and reconnect with the deeper intelligence that governs both cosmos and consciousness. Letting the outer sun and inner sun rise together is not poetic indulgence. It is psychological stability, physiological refinement, and spiritual anchoring. It is the art of beginning the day in coherence. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, dawn teaches humanity a profound truth. No matter how long the night, illumination is inevitable. The rising sun is the universe's daily promise that renewal is real, resilience is possible, and clarity can return even after uncertainty. When the sky brightens and the soul brightens in response, life regains direction. As Lord Krishna profoundly declares in the revered Bhagavad Gita, when the light of wisdom dawns, the darkness of ignorance is dispelled, and the soul shines like the sun. And so, with each dawn, a choice emerges to rise mechanically with the world, or to rise consciously with the light. Those who choose the latter discover a timeless truth that when the outer sun and the inner sun shine together, no darkness can endure, no doubt can dominate, and no path remains unseen. For in that communion, life does not merely begin again, it begins brilliantly. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.